Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. Are you looking to get some quick stock data in your dashboards? Well, run it through Excel first. It's a really easy way to do it. Select the first cell, call the stock history function, type in the name of the stock, when you want to start. So in this case, I'm going to do a year ago and end today. Let that process, and you'll see it'll bring back a date and the close. So you can actually choose. You want monthly, daily, yearly, whatever. This function is actually pretty amazing. Now, if you're going to use this in Dundas BI, take the data type and change it to date first, just so it's a little smarter. It doesn't try to process it as text or a number. Close, again, you might want to give it a clue. It'll probably pick this up, so I don't think I actually have to do that. But anyway, give it a save. Go to your dashboard, in edit mode, of course, and simply drag that Excel file onto the dashboard. It'll automatically upload it. It'll create a data connector for you. And now I've got my stock data. Now, in this case, let's get rid of the row number. Row number gets added automatically when you use Excel specifically, so that it doesn't try to generate hierarchies. You get every data point. But yeah, bring that in, revisualize it. In this case, a line chart is what I might want to see. Now you will see there's a bunch of holes in the data. That's because of weekends and days when the market's not running. So you might want to apply a missing value rule, which I did cover in a different tip, but that's all it takes. Now, one thing you might want to be concerned about is this is a one-time copy, right? When you do Excel, it's bringing the data over. And when you run that function in Excel, it's downloading one time. So there are ways to automate this. Maybe if it's not something you need up to date all the time, you go in and just refresh the Excel file manually very quickly, or perhaps you write a simple VBA script so that it automatically updates itself. I've seen certainly some examples online, so it seems like it's something that people have done pretty commonly that you could copy. That's all, and I hope this helps.